In this video, in Excel, we shall have a look at a competition. I take part in triathlons, so I thought it might be quite nice to see how I could use Excel to record some scores and positions of the athletes. We're going to use the rank function, the XLOOKUP function, named ranges of cells, and some addition of times. First of all, the workbook itself. Here we have two sheets, triathlon sheet and the medal lookup sheet. The objective is to find out the medal for the person who gets positions 1, 2 or 3. So first of all, let's look at the worksheet. Here we have 6 athletes who take part in 3 disciplines: swim, cycle and run. And their times per discipline are shown. As you can see, column B for swim, D for cycle, F for run. So I'm using in cell C2 a rank function which has 3 arguments: cell reference, the time for the swim, a named range which I'll come to call swim times, and number 1 which refers to ascending order. So first of all, let's look at the named ranges. As you may know from previous videos, the name box is just above column A. And I've created 4 named ranges: cycle times, overall times, run times and swim times, as indicated in grey. So now let's have a look at the rank function itself. B2, the swim times, the named range, B2 to B7, an absolute range, and ascending. There you can see that the person who had the fastest swim was Steve, 25 minutes 20 seconds, and in position 6, the slowest swim, 32 minutes 30. And so on and so forth, really. So in E2, we've got cycle ranked positions. This time the name range is called cycle times. Here we have run positions. This time the named range here is run times. And of course we've got the overall position. Now the overall position is gained from H2, which is a formula adding together the swim time plus the cycle time plus the run time. You can see here, overall position for John was second. So the person who won the event was Steve in position 1. Coming last, sadly, was Hillary in position 6. We now have a look at the XLOOKUP function. This is fairly new in Excel. Now here we're using an XLOOKUP function quite simply. The benefit of the XLOOKUP as opposed to the VLOOKUP, if we have a look at the table, is that we don't have to have the matching value in the first column of the array. Here we're matching against column 2 and picking up the value in column 1. So let's have a look at the formula. So here we have I2, the overall position, going to an absolute range B2 to B7 on here. So it's picking up the appropriate value from position from column B. And then we're having a look at the value. We're picking up the value, the appropriate value in the first column, which is A2 to A7. Again, an absolute range. So there you have it. We're using rank function, XLOOKUP, and some addition of times. We hope you've enjoyed the video.